Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're going to explain some basics about computer hardware. So we'll talk about the main components on a computer that allow the computer to work and function as intended. Now for demonstration, I'm actually going to be showing you guys an old MacBook Pro that sustained a really high drop, so it doesn't work. And I just removed the back cover of it, so you guys will get to see firsthand what some of these parts look like. Now, before we get into that, if you're interested in genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. All right, so without further ado, let's get started with today's video. I'm gonna flip the camera around really quick so you guys can see what we're working with over here. All right, so here we have the back of the computer. You can see it's definitely sustained some damage, but we're just gonna focus on the components for demonstration purposes. So this entire section of circuitry here, this is called the motherboard, and all computers have this. And the first part on the motherboard that we're going to talk about is the CPU, otherwise known as Central Processing Unit or processor. So on this computer, it's actually going to be right here. You can see there's this metallic material on top of it, and this is called the heatsink. So the heatsink must be applied when you install CPUs, and the heatsink's role is to take heat away from the CPU so that it doesn't have issues there. You can see on this computer we had cooling lines running from here to the fans. So these are the fans, and these fans are a major part of the cooling system. Now the next component that you'll need on every computer is RAM, otherwise known as random access memory. This is the short-term memory that the computer uses whenever it's performing calculations. And on this computer, the RAM is located here. These four little squares are the RAM of this computer. It's important to note that RAM is short-term memory, and therefore it does not store files, because the RAM is cleared when you turn off your computer. The hard drive on a computer provides the long-term storage, so it doesn't need power to store information. And on this computer, it's located underneath these silver plates here. This computer has a solid state drive with no mechanical parts, but a lot of computers, especially older ones, have a mechanical hard drive which use a magnetic platter to store data. We actually have a video covering the difference between hard drives and solid state drives, so click the link above if you guys want to see that. On many desktop computers, they have what's called expansion slots. Now, I don't have one to show you in this case because this is a Mac laptop, but that's something to note if you're working with desktop computers. And the last major component to a computer is the power source. So on this computer, it's an internal power source located here. It's a lithium-ion battery, and you simply just recharge the computer, which gives the battery power to run. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have those links in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.